Hello everyone, this is AVD from Shark Tweaks back with another video, and in this video we will talk about iPhone network issue. So there are many people who are facing the network problem. They are getting very low signal on their iPhone device. So now I will show you how you can simply boost your network on your iPhone. Just by following these simple steps, you can easily start getting good signals. If there are any software related issues, all you need to do is just tap on your settings. Now tap on general, then scroll down and tap on reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and select reset network settings. And after that your problem will be solved. And even after that, if the problem is still there and you need to do is enable or disable some options, that is just go to cellular or mobile data what shows on your device, then tap on your data plans if you have two SIM card or two data plans, then go to Wi-Fi calling and enable this option. If you are on a place where your mobile signal is very low but you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then it will connect a user to a Wi-Fi network instead of using the individual's mobile data. You can make calls and SMS over Wi-Fi network. Then next step is go to your network selections. You will get automatic option which is by default on. So just go ahead and disable it, and once it's off, you will get a bunch of network options added. So now all you need to do is just select your SIM card network, and after that you will start getting strong network. So these are some ways with which you can boost your iPhone network. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you in the next one. Peace.